welcome back to the channel. Today is November 1st, 2025. We're here at Huber Heights, Ohio at Ohio's First Buc-ee's.
We're joined today with an old familiar face. We got John Esper here with us. We're standing across the street at the intersection of Arts Road and State Route 235, what will be the entrance to the new Buc-ee's here in Huber Heights, Ohio. And while we were down here, we got to meet Luke and his mom, Caroline. They watch the channel, don't live too far from here. Luke ended up with the sign from the construction company that we put the Follow the Arrow sticker on. I think he was riding his bike by and I think it had fallen off the guardrail and he picked it up so they wouldn't have any litter laying around. He took it home, so good for him. We gave him his own Follow the Arrow sticker today and got a picture of him that we'll go ahead and insert here. This is our new friend Luke. His mom Caroline brought him down to meet us. He's the one that ended up with the note from the construction company that we put the Follow the Arrows sticker on. We went ahead and autographed the sign right below the Follow the Arrows sticker. He's also got a YouTube channel, Buc-ee Boy. I'll go ahead and put a link to it in the description. I'd like to thank Luke for supporting our channel and coming out to say hi to us. We'd also like to thank his mom for bringing him on down. It was nice meeting both of you and appreciate your support for our channel. As far as the construction updates for today, some of the light poles have been installed out in the parking lot. You'll see that in the drone video. More concrete's been poured. Sooner or later they'll have it all covered with concrete, but every week we come down here there's a little bit more concrete. Fuel pump island canopies, a lot of work progressing there. Road construction on State Route 235 continues as well as the exit ramp from I-70 to State Route 235. So every week that we come down here, there's just a little bit more progress that's been made. Next week, Sonia and I are going to be heading to Gatlinburg, Tennessee.
We plan on stopping in Richmond, Kentucky, and hopefully Sevierville also.
And we might even run into John down there in Tennessee. Who knows? We'll include some footage from those two Buc-ee stores in the video that we do next week. And that video might be a little late because we're not getting back till late Saturday, and depending on how the weather is on Sunday, we'll have to squeeze that video out on Sunday because with the time change, it'll be too dark by the time we get off work to come down here and fly the drone. So if we miss a week, that'll be the reason why. Okay, on our way down to the Buc-ee site today, we stopped to see our friends Blaine and Diane Miller. They own Cumberland Kettle Corn from Sydney, Ohio. I'll go ahead and put a link to their Facebook page in the description, but this is the best kettle corn that you're ever going to get. So go ahead, look them up on Facebook, follow them, find out where they're going to be, and go get you a bag because
this is one of the best.
Once you've had their kettle corn, you'll never want anyone else's. So Cumberland Kettle Corn, go ahead and check them out, guys. Well, I think that's going to do it for today. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up.
See you down the road.
Thanks for watching.
See ya.
Bye for now.
Bye.
Here's a look at the retail store. You can see they've got the bricks completed on the south side of the building. Work continues on the sidewalks on the front of the building. It's still not clear where that Buc-ee statue is going to be located. Keep leaving your predictions in the comments and we'll see who's right once they get it in place. On the back of the building, you see work continues on the loading dock area. The new grass that they planted here at the north end of the property and also along the back is really starting to take shape. See a lot of green here even for the 1st of November. There's that utility structure that typically that building is the building that has the mural on it, so curious to see how this one's going to look once they get it complete. Here's a look at the fuel pump islands. See all the work that's been completed on the canopies. This is the exit ramp from I-70 West and State Route 235. Here you can see State Route 235 and some of the construction work that's been taking place here for the road improvements. You can also see this area on the front of the property. Now they've really got it leveled out. This used to be a really large mound of dirt here.